Every road vehicle built since the 1980s uses a computer to make sure that the engine runs as efficiently as possible. It's sometimes called a powertrain control module, engine control module, or engine control unit, but we'll just stick with engine computer, or ECU. The most basic function of the ECU is to deliver the correct amount of fuel to the cylinders for efficient combustion. To accomplish this, the computer takes readings from various sensors, such as the mass airflow sensor and intake air temperature sensor, used to measure how much air is entering the engine, the coolant temperature sensor, which reports how hot the engine is. The engine computer also controls spark timing, regulates recirculated exhaust gas to reduce smog-causing emissions, monitors the catalyst efficiency, controls the evaporative emission system, monitors misfires, controls the battery charge level, adjusts valve timing to maximize power and fuel efficiency, and a whole host of other jobs. If the computer detects an issue with an engine management component or sensor, it warns the driver by turning on the check engine light. The light can either be solid or flashing, with a flashing light indicating a fault that will cause rapid damage to the catalytic converter on your vehicle, and a solid light letting you know that something has happened to increase emissions. The check engine light can turn on for a wide variety of reasons, from a loose fuel filler cap to a damaged piston. Each failure has an associated diagnostic trouble code which indicates which system requires analysis. After retrieving the diagnosis trouble code, a technician will perform a series of tests using specialist diagnostic equipment to determine the exact fault so that your vehicle can be repaired correctly and you can get back on the road.